In this video, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Prius key fob to change the internal battery at home. This is a very easy process, don't worry, but you will need one of these CR1632 batteries. And if you'd like to get one of those online or you just don't even know where to find one, I will put a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. The first step is to look on the side of this device. You can see there's that button that says push right there. Hold that down and pull out the key on the bottom. Pull out that internal key, set it to the side. Right here you can see the keyhole, and right next to it, perpendicular to it, there is a little indentation in the plastic. Okay, so keyhole, and then right here, that's where we want to work on. Just with a regular flathead screwdriver, you can insert it into that indentation and just twist. Now, pull this off, set that to the side carefully, and just lift out. Doesn't really want to fall out, so you can just come in this corner. We're just going to be removing this circuit board. Just use the same tool, put the corner in there, and just kind of lift this thing out. And now you can set this down. Here is our battery. Up in the corner here, you can see there's a little opening. We're just going to use the same flathead screwdriver. A smaller one does work better, but if you just have kind of a normal one like I do, what you want to do is just put the corner of that tool into that little opening there, and we just pry the battery back. It's really easy. We'll show you that one more time. So corner of our flathead up into that corner, get under the battery and just pry it back. It'll pop right out. Once again, that is a CR1632 battery. Make sure that is what you're using, and make sure the positive side goes face up when you put your new battery in there. So you just click it in, plus sign, facing up. And now if you pick up the back piece of this device, you can see there's that little circle there. The battery will sit directly on top of that circle. So go ahead and set that in there. And now just put the other part right on top. And click it all back together and put your key back in there, and you are done. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, you can feel free to let me know down in the comments, or just give it a like so it can help someone else. And if you ever need help changing another one of your batteries, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every make or model, so you can go ahead and check those out, or you can visit us directly at fobbattery.com.